We are back with the close-up coins game. 6 coins to guess in this video. Can you work out the close-ups of them? The first 5 are Olympic or Paralympic 50p's from 2011. And there's a little bonus coin at the end. Get in the comments section and there could well be a prize for someone who gets them all correct. We're going to go through all of the answers on Friday. Gives you all really a few days to be able to look through them. And again, it is on loop as well with me chatting in the background. Probably not speaking correctly. Hopefully you can get them all correct. Again, the first 5, all 2011 50p coins from the London Olympic and Paralympic Games. And then we've got the 2000 and I'm not even going to tell you as the final one. Good luck getting this bonus one correct. Get them all in the comments section. We'll go through all of them on Friday when I get back from work. And again, I'll give a shout out to everyone that gets them all correct. Thanks for all the support as always, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are all amazing. Don't forget, if you do find any commemoratives, get them in the comments. And together, let's keep that dream alive that there's still some commemoratives out there in the wild. Stay safe and as always, thanks for watching.